If your Motorola phone is just charging only up to 80% and no matter what you do, it stays at 80% full charge, there's a feature known as overcharge protection, and to find it and turn it off, let's do it together. The fastest way to this feature is using the quick access. Go into your settings of your Motorola phone, and in the search settings, go into it and type in the words charging or just charge protection. Some of them may have charge protection or overcharge protection. Once you see it, you'll find it, tap on it, and it's going to take you straight here. So in this case, it's called overcharge protection. So you can also search that if you haven't found it yet. And you can see, because it's on, your phone is only going to be charged up to 80% all the time, no matter what you do. How long you leave it charged, it's going to stay 80%. And if you want it to go past that there, you can just disable that and let it go to go past 80% to 100%. And of course, if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.